If you purchase a Roblox item that gets moderated or taken down, then you are actually eligible for a refund of Robux to your Roblox account. If you purchase an item that you don't want anymore, but you just want a refund, then unfortunately Roblox would not be able to help you out. However, if someone else purchased a Roblox item using your account, then you will be eligible for a refund if you contact Roblox support. First and foremost, we can deal with how to get your refund if an item that you purchased got taken down. In this case, Roblox is usually going to send you a message in the messages section of your account. So all you need to do is press the three dots in the top left hand corner and then scroll down and click messages. The message you're going to get is titled Robux credit pending. Please review and accept the agreement. Roblox will say, hello, your account is eligible for Robux credit for the items you purchase that can no longer be worn by your avatar. To receive the credit, please review and accept the terms of the agreement. We apologize for any inconvenience. Sincerely, the Roblox team. As you can see, the little agreement is underlined, so when we click that, it will take us to this page here, and all we need to do is click the I agree button, and it says your request has been submitted. Please note that the request to return of Robux may take a day or two to process. Please check your account after a few days. And then we can just click close. After this, your request is officially submitted to Roblox, and it'll take 24 to 48 hours for you to actually get that credit back to your account. Now we can move on to the more complicated process of getting a refund for an item that somebody else purchased using your Robux. It's important to note that you're only allowed to submit one refund request for somebody that hacked your account or a sibling that purchased something using your Robux. So you'll want to use this option very, very wisely. What we want to do is go to roblox.com/support where we can fill out the support form. So for the device, we can go ahead and select any of these. I'll select PC. But for the type of help category, you want to select the one that says purchases using Robux. And then that'll open a subcategory where we want to select whether it was a website item or an inexperience item. Inexperience items are like game passes, or if you purchase clothes inside a game. Website items are anything that you purchase on the website. If you're not sure, it's most likely gonna be a website item. Then in the description of issue section, you're going to want to notate down the details of your purchase. For example, if a family member took advantage of your open computer and they bought something using your Robux, or if someone with your login information took advantage and bought something on your account. If your account was hacked in any way, you actually want to change the type of help category and you want to select account hacked or can't log in. Then you'll select account hacked, and then you'll put the description of your issue and explain what item was bought, how much Robux it was, and that you would like a refund. And that's how to get a refund for a Roblox item. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment down below if this helped you out. Thank you so much for watching.